this hand in here because you're going to hold it with your finger, eh? Now put your finger in behind here. That's right there. Now this little one here.
Well, what day is it?
Hold that right on there. Okay, so then we take the bail out like this with this hand here, right? Okay, that's good now. And you hang on to it like that. Now when you pick up that rod and you throw it like that, as soon as you get it out there, you straighten that finger, straighten this finger out.
Like what you used today.
Let go with your finger. Oh, you did it.
Start right there. Okay, reel her up. Gonna help these things.
Okay, Amanda.
That was your very first cast there, Ayden.
It'll work.
Okay, bye-bye.
Won't take long.
Are you going to do some practices too?
Okay, now just reel this up. Oh, right there. Oh, because you don't want that right at the top. Okay? Now we'll move this up. Okay, so then you're going to reel this around here till it's right up on the top like that. Okay, load your hand up on here now, the same way I showed you. This in behind there like that. Now reach down and grab the line. That's just with one finger.
I think you might have it on your middle finger too.
You got it in that finger too?
Yeah.
Oh no, okay. Just one finger. Put these other fingers on the rod. That's it. Now straight, put this one down there like that. Pick this up. That's right, just like
and
that.
Stand
now put
back
the bail
a little
over.
bit so you don't get...
Put the bail over. No. Okay, let her go. Let her go. Let go of the line. Okay. Here. Go like this. Okay, let's start over again. Put your hand on the rod here. That's it. Now put this finger down and grab the line. Just that finger. Now put the bail over this way. Like that. That's it. Don't touch it anymore. Okay, now turn around like that and cast her out there, and as you go,
well, let go of your finger.
Let go with this finger. There you are.
Oh, you almost got it in the puddle.
Whew. Okay, so just help you with that. Now you can reel that in.
Oh.
Yep, keep reeling. Just keep reeling like that. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, just flick it out there nice and easy. Come on. Oh, look at that. That's further than you did before. That's good. Improvement.
The baler, I think it was. I don't know.
That's pretty good.
Oh, hold it right there. Hold it right there. Whoa. Okay. Now. Okay, let's do the same thing again. There. Oh, look how far that one went. Far enough. Okay. Oh, you're welcome, and thanks for showing me how it's done. You can teach the rest of them after a while, eh? Turn the wheel. Okay, you can try that. Okay, reel her up. Reel her up.
Oh, you always think
perfect.
there is, though, I'll tell
Okay,
you.
put that in there. That over there, and I'll cast it away out there. This time, hey, 30 feet. Getting better.
Maybe a generous 30 feet.
We'll just keep adding a lot more. 10 foot at a time. Hold it.
No, hold on. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Okay, there we go. What time is it? You got her. A little bit further. Wind her up some more.
I'll try to get one.
Oh. Okay, pull her out a little bit. Okay, that's good. Now, we're going to move this this up here like this. Pay attention, Ayden. There you are. Okay. Bail. Now do your thing. Come on. Let's see it go way out there. See it go way out there. Come on. Oh! Good on you. But not as far as the last time. 20. You got to beat 30 feet now. You got to go 40.
I was told to pull that out of my pocket.
Okay.
I took one, yeah.
Come on around like that. Now, okay.
That was down by the mechanic shop.
Okay. Put the bail over. Way you go. Hey! Good. Come on. Oh, wow.
How many feet did I go?
29.5.
How far is that?
Nearly 30.